In finance, distractions are the enemy of growth. Every successful investor knows that scattered attention leads to scattered results. The market will always tempt you with trends, hot tips, and fear-driven news cycles. But real profit comes from sticking to your plan and ignoring the noise. When you stay focused, you give your strategies time to work, allowing your investments to mature instead of being uprooted by short-term panic. Focus turns chaos into clarity, helping you spot the real opportunities others overlook. In money management, clarity is as valuable as capital itself. Your focus is like a magnifying glass. When directed, it burns through obstacles. The sharper it is, the faster you move toward your financial goals. Impatience makes you act too soon. Patience makes you act right. In a world chasing instant returns, patience is a rare and profitable skill. Great investors like Warren Buffett didn't build fortunes by chasing every spike. They waited for the right moments and let time multiply their returns. Compounding only rewards those who wait. Every extra month or year you allow your investments to grow adds exponential value. Patience is not inaction. It's strategic stillness that protects you from costly mistakes and positions you for long-term success. The longer you hold a good position, the more the market works for you. True wealth loves time. It's the secret partner in every success story. Focus and patience protect you from emotional traps. Fear and greed are the two forces that destroy most portfolios. When you're focused, you don't chase hype. When you're patient, you don't panic during dips. Instead, you rely on data, discipline, and proven strategy to guide your moves. Emotional decisions might feel right in the moment, but they often cost you more in the long run. The calm investor is the profitable investor. Mastering your emotions is just as important as mastering your money. Emotions blur judgment, but patience clears the view. In money matters, your mindset is the steering wheel. Control it, or it controls you. Patience transforms small gains into life-changing results. The investor who reinvests instead of spending every profit is building a money machine that grows stronger each cycle. Focus ensures you stick to your growth plan. Patience ensures you see it through. Over the years, consistent small wins stack into something extraordinary. Most people underestimate what they can achieve in a decade, but overestimate what they can achieve in a year. Staying the course allows you to break this pattern and let your wealth work for you. A small, consistent habit beats one big, lucky break. Your future wealth is built by the small decisions you make today. Focus plus patience equals sustainable profit. These two traits work together to create financial stability that lasts a lifetime. Without focus, patience is wasted. Without patience, focus is powerless. Together, they allow you to make calculated, confident moves that stand the test of time. You stop chasing luck and start building a legacy. In the end, profit is not just about the money. It's about the security, freedom, and opportunities you gain along the way. Wealth is built slowly, but it lasts when built right. The sooner you start applying this formula, the sooner your financial independence becomes a reality. A good strategy is only as strong as your commitment to it. Many people abandon their plans at the first sign of trouble, but the wealthiest investors double down on discipline. Once you've researched, tested, and built your investment approach, you must trust it enough to ride out the storms. Focus keeps you from chasing every shiny distraction. Patience allows you to see your plan work over time. Without this trust, you'll constantly jump ship and miss out on long-term rewards. A trusted strategy is like a strong anchor. It keeps you steady in volatile waters. The more you believe in your process, the stronger your results will become. The market will always have 1,000 voices, but not all deserve your attention. Every day, news headlines, online forums, and social media create panic or hype. Successful investors know when to listen and when to tune out. Focus filters out the noise so you can hear what really matters: facts, data, and long-term trends. Patience ensures you don't react to every short-term swing. The more noise you remove from your decision-making, the more you see profitable opportunities. Silence can be your greatest ally in a loud financial world. Your wealth grows faster when your mind is uncluttered. Focus tells you what to do. Patience tells you when to do it. Even the best ideas can fail if executed at the wrong time. Timing in investing is about recognizing when conditions align with your goals. This skill only comes when you're patient enough to wait for the right setup and focused enough to act without hesitation when it arrives. Rushing into a trade or investment can turn potential profit into loss. The most successful investors are masters of waiting, then moving decisively. In finance, the right moment is worth more than 1,000 wrong ones. Timing isn't luck, it's preparation meeting opportunity. Every loss is a lesson, but only if you keep your focus. The truth is, even the best investors face setbacks. What separates them from the rest is how they respond. Focus keeps you analyzing instead of blaming. Patience ensures you give yourself time to recover and adapt. Losses become stepping stones when you treat them as tuition for financial growth. Emotional reactions close doors, but a disciplined approach opens new ones. The market rewards those who learn, not those who quit. Every setback can be a setup for an even greater comeback if you remain steady. Wealth built on focus and patience lasts for generations. When you invest with discipline, you're not just thinking about the next quarter, you're thinking about decades ahead. This mindset transforms your financial decisions from short-term gains to long-term security. Patience allows your wealth to outlive you, benefiting your children and beyond. Focus ensures that every step you take is aligned with your bigger vision. The greatest fortunes aren't built overnight. They're built with decades of consistent action. Discipline today writes the story of your family's tomorrow. In the end, your financial habits become your legacy. A tired mind makes expensive mistakes. Financial success isn't just about numbers. It's about mental clarity. When you're exhausted or overwhelmed, you're more likely to chase risky trends or abandon a solid plan. Focus means protecting your mental and emotional energy so you can think clearly. Patience keeps you from forcing decisions when your mind isn't ready. Rest, exercise, and balanced living are not luxuries. They're investments in your decision-making power. A clear head today prevents regret tomorrow. The sharper your mind, the sharper your profits. Protect your focus like you protect your capital, because both determine your financial future. Small, steady gains beat risky jackpots every time. Many people get distracted chasing massive profits overnight, only to lose it all in the process. Focus shifts your attention to the small, consistent steps that compound into huge results over time. Patience allows these small wins to stack up quietly until they become something remarkable. Even a modest daily habit, like saving a fixed amount, can build life-changing wealth over decades. Don't underestimate the power of gradual growth. Slow success is still success, and it lasts longer. If you master patience, you'll never feel pressured to gamble your future for quick results.